She's a
bad thing. Finance, think it's full.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hana. So today I wanted to show you guys what I put in my applicator bottle as far as oils. So if you're interested in watching that, then keep on watching. So as far as my oils, I change them pretty often. I just kind of throw whatever my heart feels like throwing in this applicator bottle. I just get one of the bottles from the beauty supply shop. They're super cheap. I like the smaller ones because it's easier to just kind of like hold and kind of put on your hair. So I will start with my very first, I put in 2 or 3 black castor oils. So the first one that I put in my bottle is the Sunny Isles, the Jamaican black castor oil, the dark, extra dark one. Looks like that if you guys can see it. Looks like that. And so I put about just enough. So about that much in. And then my next one that I put in is also from Sunny Isles. It's their Jamaican black castor oil, and it's their Jamaican black castor oil infused with hemp seed oil. Looks like that. And I put just about the same. I honestly just put whenever my heart tells me to stop, that's when I stop. Then I also put this one in as well. This is Sunny Isles Jamaican black castor oil, root repair growth oil. It looks like that. And this just has Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E oil, moringa oil, avocado oil, and aloe vera oil. So I like to put just a good amount of this in there as well. Nice. And then I'll go into my lighter oils. This is my sweet almond oil. I put a decent amount of this one as well. I like my light oils, so just make sure, like, just your oils, that they're 100% and organic, so that you know that you're getting the best kind of oil. Then is my grapeseed oil. And I put about this much on there. Put quite a bit of grapeseed oil because it's soft, it's sweet, it's nice. Then I will go in with, this is a new purchase, but I really enjoy it. This is Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. It looks like that. And this has a whole bunch of stuff, but it's really nice. Only thing is, it just has like it has a really medicinal smell. I don't know that I'm a fan of it, but you know, you could put your essential oils on top, put a couple of drops on there, and you're good, because this smells very she's gonna smell. I think it's the cocoa that they put on there, and then it smells like food too because of the honey. It smells like butter. It's just not a good smell. But if you look at the ingredients, always look at y'all ingredients. This mug be speaking. Let me tell y'all what it has. It has virgin almond oil, which is good for hair growth, virgin sesame seed oil, virgin coconut oil, golden jojoba oils, virgin olive oil, pressed macadamia oils. It's got aromatic organic cocoa beans. That's what it is. Organic honey. It's got biotin. It's got MSM, which is good for hair growth. Brahmi, which is good for hair growth. BTMS, tea tree oil, and love. Oh, that's cute. It says it's naturally scented, so yeah, it's that honey and that cocoa bean that's really in here. But these is okay, it's speaking. So I'm gonna put a good amount of this because this is where the good stuff is at. So you could honestly just keep this because this oil has a lot in it already. So there's that. One of the last oils that I put in is the Trader Joe's jojoba oil. It looks like that. This is super light, and when I don't want a heavy look, I'll go ahead and put some of this in there too. Just a couple of that. The last thing that I add, of course, is my coconut oil. I've got about that much left, and I'm just gonna fill it up with coconut oil. Just kind of fill it all the way up. with coconut oil. Alright, those are all my oils. My heavier oils are down here, my lighter oils and coconut oil on top, like that. They all mix in together anyway, so it really doesn't matter what order you put them in. And then lastly, I put in my peppermint oil. You can use any essential oil that you want. I just like peppermint oil because it's strong. You can put in your stinkiest castor oil, your stinkiest oil, and this is gonna mask it every time. I like the way it smells, and I like when it like tingles on my scalp. It's like a refreshing smell and a refreshing feel too. So I'll put a couple of drops of this on there. I really don't count how many drops I put on there. I just kind of put however many drops that I just feel compelled to. You can use tea tree oil, you can use rosemary oil, you can use lemongrass oil. You can just use whatever essential oil that you like and that you want. My personal favorite is just peppermint. Okay, that seems like about enough. I don't even know how many drops that was. But yep, that's about it, you guys. And then I'm gonna just mix this bad boy up. And then you get something like that. And I just put it on my scalp. I put it on my wash and goes. I put it on my tips. You can put this in your lotion if you want, like for a really moisturized look. Give you, you know, glowy skin or whatever, you know. Ooh, excuse me. That's about it, you guys. I use this for my twist outs, my wash and goes, my, you know, in the middle of twist outs, when I'm moisturizing, when I'm oiling my scalp, when all of it. This is the oil that I be using. Sometimes I change up the ratios. I put a little bit more of this and a little bit less of that, just whatever I'm feeling. But for the most part, this is how I make my oils. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you guys have any questions or any comments, any oils I should try out, leave them down below. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.